Welcome to Skinart, your gateway to mastering the art of beauty and body artistry. We offer a plethora of courses designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge, and confidence to excel in the industry. With Skinart, you can either dive deep into our comprehensive tattoo training course, mastering line work, black work, and color tattoos. Or you could discover the precision and artistry behind body piercings with our piercing course. Or you can enhance natural beauty with our microblading training, learning the latest techniques and trends. Or you can learn to do permanent eyeliner, lips, eyebrows, and more with our permanent makeup course. Or you can gain proficiency in tattoo removal techniques, offering even more services to your clients. All our courses cover blood-borne pathogens, and we offer it as a standalone course also. We will also teach you how to navigate the business side of each service. From licensing requirements, town planning, running a home business, to understanding health and safety protocols, we ensure you're prepared not just as an artist, but as a professional. You will learn about aftercare, photography, and even master advanced techniques for social media promotion. And, of course, we emphasize the importance of health and safety. From personal protection, understanding risk levels, to sterilization and cross-contamination, we ensure you're equipped to provide a safe experience for every client. Our courses are meticulously crafted, combining theoretical knowledge with practical experience, ensuring you are industry ready. At the end of the course, you will receive your well-earned certificates. For those of you in or willing to travel to New Zealand or South Africa, we offer an in-person training course for a more hands-on learning experience. It's a fantastic opportunity to immerse yourself fully and get direct feedback from our experienced trainers. This is a sneak peek of the online back end. Our courses are meticulously crafted, offering step-by-step instructions. There are many lessons to ensure we cover all aspects of the relevant industry. Embark on your journey with Skinart today and transform your passion into a rewarding career. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content.